Here is the message from the light for April 2022. The nature of change. All around the world there are those who feel hopelessness and chaos. There are also those around the world who are experiencing joy, new beginnings, and rebirth. There is a new energy that is coming forth, like a seedling breaking through the soil. The old energy on earth and in the soil have provided a chance for this new energy to grow and expand. Old energy is not bad energy, and new energy is not good energy. Energy is energy, and each one provides a springboard for the other, giving the opportunity for expansion, wisdom, and enlightenment. If one is set in an old pattern that no longer serves, they are still providing contrast for others who are reaching for growth. Not all beings can grow at the same rate. Everyone has their own path and may be here to provide contrast for another. There has been chaos, fighting, killing, greed for power, and control for eons. But that is beginning to change. The majority of humanity has collectively agreed that the respect for life has value beyond the current currency and is much more significant than materialistic acquisitions. Have hope. Change comes slowly, but things are moving in the direction of greater understanding. Humanity is slow to change, especially when things are going smoothly and easily. It is the darkest moments that bring about the greatest enlightenment. Remain steadfast in eternal truths. If you find yourself in fear or despair, look to the sun that rises every day. Notice the ever-changing sky and marvel at the life that is around you. Keep your focus on the great Creator, for that is where unimaginable miracles come from. The divine is always with you and within you. Speak to the divine and lay all burdens there. Many have heard the phrase, "Let go and let God." Truly letting go takes great strength and trust. Letting go means not rehashing it over and over in your mind and in conversation. The concern and compassion for humanity that is in your heart will go further when you keep the focus on love and allow the divine to do the work. Pray, meditate. Intentions, thoughts, and words are more powerful than most realize. Thoughts matter. If they are of love, the change and growth can be substantial. If they are of anger or hatred, it can cause significant damage to that which is truly desired. One by one, each individual can bring about peace by first bringing peace within themselves, connecting to Source in thought and word, learning to rely on the power that is beyond this earthly experience will bring peace within. It is a process, but it can only be accomplished with conscious intent. Help is always available, but will not be imposed upon anyone unless it has been asked for. please ask. This message is given with great love.